funnel shape to direct, especially from the aims of the research or the paper to the conclusion that we meet, yeah, the aims or have another findings, yeah, other than the theoretical or the expected via from the experiment. Finally, in conclusion, we can make some brief, yeah, summary from the main findings from the previous section, yeah, in short, clear-cut concluding remarks. Some paper we noticed that conclusion there is much paragraph, yeah, like more explaining again, yeah, more explanation. This should be avoid and should be put to the discussion, yeah, summarize in conclusion, meaning really sum up, yeah, wrap up from the findings, what is the significant and contribution, yeah, of the paper. So in the way of summarize, there are 4 basic steps, yeah, usually to guide we writing the conclusion. Yeah, summarize the results. Maybe we need to spell or mention our contribution to the global context, yeah, in which part we are contribute from this research. And sometimes we need to show the limitation, yeah, because, yeah, of course, the topic is so broad and we are focusing in one aspect or two, yeah, maybe, yeah. So this become the limitation of the study, meaning that in engineering, usually, that this result may behave or may be relevant, yeah, only for this scope, yeah, context, small scope. When we consider more broad aspect, yeah, component, then the result may be behave different. Important to state the limitation. And then the fourth is the suggest potential area for the research, mean the implication, yeah. Implication from the current research. Is there any additional experiment should be conducted, yeah, to improve or to answer more clear why the phenomena or findings in opposite, maybe, yeah, with the previous published article or in theoretical terminology. Okay, and the acknowledgement. This is the section for, yeah, appreciate, yeah, acknowledge direct technical assistance, yeah, from many aspects, muscles, equipment, patient, yeah, procedural techniques, and so on. Usually the important things also the funding, yeah, funding sources that some journal also need to clearly mention, yeah, state where is the sources of the funding from this paper, yeah? Is there any funding sources, including the institutional affiliation? Yeah, the next, this is regarding the funding sources. We need to provide in detail also, yeah, the grant number, contract grant number and year, because some articles, they only mention that this experiment, this study is supported with grant, yeah, but we don't know whether the grant is already expired or how much year ago, yeah, without the acknowledge of the grant number, the sources. And yeah, different journal, please find the guidelines, yeah. They have different step for providing this acknowledgement, maybe in separate file or separate step during the online submission. Okay, regarding the references, part of the important aspect to support literature review, how much literature review already conducted, how many articles, especially primary sources, journal articles, via review, conduct review in introduction, in material methods, even in the result and discussion section. So this is the important. Some journal maybe prefer to have at least the last 5 years article, journal, so that they can understand the author already what you call update process, updating what is the
karena saya mau kirim
findings,
terus kirim juga aslinya
information in our field regarding the topics. Use reference generator, this is the tools,
ini dilipat aja
how we can
saya soft copy-nya aja biar
write more efficient, effective using such kind of software, Zotero, EndNote, Mendeley, and so on.
Yang Bapak bawa apa?
And can be directly linked to what we are cited in the text, so can minimize the
permohonan sambutan dan dua-duanya
mistaken in citing and referencing article.
Tapi scan dulu supaya saya.
Now regarding the style, referencing style, there are many format style in different journal, whether Harvard, Vancouver, APA, MLA, and so on. So we just need to adjust with this style of journal using the software, Mendeley or not. We can very easily to change from one style to another. Avoid too much self-citation. This is also important. How of course we need to acknowledge, or maybe if the experiment is continuation, this one is part of the previous research experiment. Of course, we need to cite what we have done in the previous, but avoid too much. The proportion between our publication to the others, authors should be in proportionally. Can be accepted. So, meaning that we are also open with the other findings and how this information can enrich our paper, and in the discussion can be more have better communication, better discussion. Now, in the wrap of this
karena semua sekarang
slides,
semua diwajibkan DK dengan kata baru akreditasi.
Once again,
belajar
to check one by one in each section.
Lihat sendiri kan,
based on
BPM sendiri.
Experience
belum pas tadi kan.
Example paper, the sign of well-written scientific paper that we can refer or as benchmark.
Nah ya, itu akan dievaluasi semua, memang tidak bisa.
That
saya akan panggil
the
satu-satu.
title should be eye-catching, concise and eye-catching.
Saya mau jenah internasional.
If we think that our title need to be improved, please refer to this. How we can write title in more informative, eye-catching, and then simple abstract reflecting contents of the paper, very short, simple but clear. Enough literature review in introduction, in methods, and results and discussion. Yeah, please once again to check whether the citation not only in the introduction but some discussion need the positioning. That's why we need to recall once again other article to be reviewed or discussed. Clear methods supported by tabular figures diagram, and then clearly interpreting result and discussion. Yeah. Short conclusion and contribution or implication. And the last, readable, reliable, and has an impact. Yeah. It will be more benefit, valuable if we can write the article script more readable, which means we need to through process of translation, and then grammar check. Reliably means the result can be taken responsible, not from the generation data, but reliable of the data use and the result, and how further impact from this paper in contributing new findings, new insight to the our field of study, our association, for example, our community. Now, as wrap up of these slides, I would like to remind again the 5 tips, tips and tricks actually. Please once again to follow the guidelines for author, and information there should be followed carefully. And somehow we need to make use of the sample article. What is the article or best article published in this journal? How they write each section, the style. Maybe we can benchmark to this sample article. Be aware the scope of the journal. Of course, from the beginning we need to select appropriate journal, the scope, the wider or more specific journal, and then be aware plagiarism, check similarity, one of the important thing, and the other regarding copyright, where the copyrights permission of the journal if you use other figures, other figures, other diagram that actually published by other journal. Okay, this is just to show the sample articles that we can search from each journal. Maybe the cited papers, the most cited papers, or most downloadable, downloadable papers that become reference benchmarking how we can write at least in the same style, same style of the journal. We minimize possibility to be rejected. Okay, the last, I think, we need to keep progress in reading, writing, because this is like continuous improvement actually. When we make the draft, then we need to read again how the flow, the story flow, and maybe we need to put more review, literature review, or some new published article yeah, because this is will support maybe in our perspective, explaining the result and so on. Yeah. Once again, we need to experience ourselves, yeah, whether to be, yeah, of course, accepted with revise or even rejection, yeah. This is will be our experience to write, yeah, to have authentic experience in writing scientific article. I think all result from the reviewers, editors of the journal will be valuable experience, yeah, so that we can go further, yeah, in writing continuous improvement for the next future. Okay, I think that's all that I can share for this technical writing, yeah, to complete or complement the previous workshop session. Thank you very much, Mr. Fajar.
Thank you very much to Dr. Nyoman for his excellent presentation. I was like amazed throughout the session. It's so clear, the explanation is so clear and so specific. I would like to open the Q&A session if there is any questions from the audience that would like to address it live, or you would like to write down in the chat box. Please be my guest. I think Pak Isradi is
Yes,
already
yes,
on.
yes,
You
sir.
would,
Yes.
would like to ask some question to Dr. Nyoman?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay, thank you. You can proceed. You can proceed your question.
Okay, good morning, Pak Nyoman. My name is Isradi Zainal.
Actually, yes.
I have seen your explanations. I think very good and very clear. But if you don't mind, actually I have a paper, but I don't know my paper is suitable with your explanation or not. If you don't mind, I want to show my papers. If you don't mind, of course, so you
Yes,
can judge
so please, yeah.
it's okay or not. May I present Pak Fajar? Screen apa? Share screen maybe.
Yes, yes, you can immediately share screen, Pak. Yeah.
Oh yeah, but just now I try. Oh yeah, okay. Wait a moment, please. Oh yeah, here. Okay, Pak Nyoman, this is my papers with the titles Fire Vehicle Route, Response Times, and Service Coverage Optimization in Pekojan Urban Village, Tambora Subdistrict, Fire Hotspot, Jakarta.
I'm sorry, Pak Isradi, can you zoom in the
Oh yeah,
text?
yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Yeah, okay. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Yes.
very clear. Yes.
Yes, sir. This is the title.
Okay.
Okay, this is the abstract. Just now you explained about abstract. What do you think about my abstract, sir? Please correction.
Okay. Yeah, I think first we have to maybe do it carefully. Yeah, all participants also can try to look this abstract. Yeah, first if we remember we need to know the context. Yeah,
Yes,
so
sir.
from this abstract we can find which is the context of the problem. Then we can highlight, and then next to the aims, is there any aims here? One challenge in minutes fire hazard. This is maybe the context, yeah, first sentence.
Yes.
The second sentence, one urban fire hotspot operated. This is more like additional information, yeah.
Yes.
This sub-district is served by an Anke,
Fire station.
more information. Then this research aims to, I think this is the aims, yeah, going to the aims. So the three sentences, more context of the problems. evaluate and compare optimized route. You have to find the routes, yeah. Optimized route. In Kojan, the route optimization was made using, this is the methods, yeah. Okay, and then, yeah, vehicle speed, average distance, and so on. Response time. Oh, based on the result, yeah. So I think the method is very lack, yeah. Only one sentence. The route optimization was made using network analysis in GIS.
Okay, sir.
Period. So I don't think with only this information can explain. Is it only one, what you call, one method? Just this information only using the GIS and then network analysis done, or maybe we need some maps, yeah, because GIS usually relate to the maps, yeah,
Yes, sir.
air photo and so on, aerial photo and so on. So I think better to explain other methods tool that is already used, yeah, to determine this optimized route. Because the next already result, yeah, based on the result, and with the vehicle speed, yeah, blah blah blah. This is 1.6 or 1,600 response
1.6.
time.
Yes, sir. 1.6.
1 point, yeah. Oh,
Yes,
so
sir.
short, yeah. According to GIS, modal response time of 1 minute, yeah, 1 minute point, only covers 22 point region area, while by increasing response time, vehicles finds no. Evaluate and compare optimized route. I don't know, this is already answer the aims or not, yeah? Evaluate and compare optimized route. This is more in the response times, yeah?
Yes.
Is it response time already reflect with the optimized routes, for example? Or what is the evaluation? Because the aims is to evaluate, right?
Yes.
Is there any, yeah, as the conclusion, what is the result of evaluation, yeah? Is it the route can be determined, can be find optimized route or not, for example, yeah? I think should clearly answer this one.
Yes.
Because, yeah, according to, yeah, this one maybe still like in the significant findings result, yeah. But I think to state the conclusion, I don't know whether in the conclusion section, is there any different sentences or still the same, while by increasing response can cover. Yeah, because if in my perspective, I cannot find the compare optimized routes. Yeah? What is the meaning compare optimized routes and evaluate? Yeah, if we read only while by increasing response time to 2 minutes, this is comparison, kah? 1 minute and 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, compare optimized route. So the optimized will the 1 minute.
1 minute, yes. You see that here, if only 1 minute only covers 22.77%. So by increasing response time to 2 minutes, we can cover 19.8. So it is suggested to use 2 minutes.
Oh, so just to use the 2 minutes. So the optimum one, the optimum is 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think maybe need to put more sentence. Yeah, if the abstract is, I don't know how many words limited. Yeah, put to explain that while by increasing 2 minutes, this is become the optimized. Yeah, the optimized route to show that this 2 minutes is the optimized route, and yeah, like suggested, like you mentioned, to suggest using this 2 minutes. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
if not, I think not clear. Just to show 1 minute and 2 minutes, this is like, yeah, comparison, but what should be used or suggested from this two comparison should be clear.
Okay, sir. Okay, so thank you. So, and what is about introduction? This introduction, my introductions.
Okay, introduction, basically to explain the keywords. Can you show the
Yes,
keywords?
the keywords is
Yeah, at least
GIS.
in the first two paragraph, it explain the keywords. Yeah, how
Yes,
these keywords already, for example, yeah, already researched or reviewed by other article. Yeah, then reflect to the, yeah, this is optimization route. Yeah, for example, yeah, this is one word but not specific. So better, for example, the keywords. Yeah, the keywords. The keywords is only one. Yeah, GIS, and then route optimization. When we search in Google optimization, maybe only, yeah, there are many article or many, maybe not only journal. Yeah, maybe another article blog that show the optimization, but more specific, maybe optimize route, for example. Optimize route like the aims. Yeah, optimization. Okay, so that more specific to the fit of this topics. Yeah, rather than one by one words. GIS, okay lah tapi. Introduction, yeah. So at least explain the keywords and other research already done relate to the, okay, GIS, and then fire vehicles. What is the network analysis already used? Yeah, what kind of network analysis? In this introduction, is there any statement there? First paragraph, GIS, and second, growing application. Yeah, this is about route optimization. Yeah, only one kah? Blunder only?
Yes, yes, sir.
You find only one. So
Yes.
this is very new kah? The topic very new kah? I'm not sure whether you already googling really or other journal, yeah, regarding this route optimization. Then Jakarta as capital large population. Then considering this condition, oh, little bit different, yeah. Please
Yes,
check.
sir.
This research aims, this research aims to determine the optimized route and response time.
Yes.
Well, in abstract, evaluate, compare, yeah. Evaluate and compare. So it is better to consistent, yeah.
Yes.
Which one is the research aims? What is the important these figures? Fire station. I don't think this is significant, yeah. Fire station Angke in southwest Pekojan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the things is the number of figure, yeah, not correctly captioned, yeah. And then no explanation about figure 1, right?
Yes.
Before or after, there is no explanation, so not significant to be posted here. Beside, yeah, everyone already know, yeah, wire station and wire vehicles. So if you want to put the figures, maybe better like map, I don't know, map of the West Pekojan, yeah, because it will show the route or the direction, I don't know, the distance, for example, yeah. Rather than only showing the track of fire station. Now, I don't know, in the introduction, I think, and back, make sure the literature review, yeah. I think this is too short introduction, yeah. Very short introduction. I don't know if this is for journal or proceedings, yeah. But better to put discussion, literature review, yeah. Why we need to evaluate, yeah, compare and determine the optimized routes. What is the problems before we evaluate significant problems? So that necessary to evaluate. It's missing, yeah, in there. Especially in Jakarta, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think from this sentence or paragraph, we can put more literature review, yeah, based on the previous research or previous, I don't know, report maybe, yeah. Why important to evaluate? Maybe some inefficiency, ineffective, and so on. Okay, in methods. Can you make larger? Yeah. Okay. Methods, study area. Okay. Description. Then, now sometimes to scroll down, please. Okay, scroll down, please. Yeah, this is the map. Indonesia, okay. Jakarta, Kojan. Okay. Yeah, and scale also there. FS fire station. Okay, and okay. Yeah, they can more or less. Yeah, how many distance? Yeah, distance and
Yes,
speed
sir.
response. Okay. GIS network analysis. Oh, five service route optimization. Okay, nothing. Satellite image. How many satellite image in 1 year only?
Yes, sir.
In what year should be mentioned also, yeah? What year? Different year will be different result in the second sentences.
Naderinya karena negeri banget. Naderinya karena negeri banget, Neng.
Okay. Results and discussion. Figure 2. It's only figure 2. Design, JS, most selected routes for having direction from south. Okay, scroll down a bit. The average optimized routes. Figure 3, figure. So I think, can we see the figure 2, figure 3? Oh, figure 5, figure 4. Next, okay. Indicate. Oops. Figure 2.
4 here. Figure 4.
No, figure 2. So I mean, when we mention figure
Yes, sir.
2, and then, yeah, as near possible, figure 2 can be, this is one page, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one, figure 3. Estimated optimized route. Oh, it is better maybe to show the conventional route maybe, yeah. What is the conventional route before optimize? Is it the same route or different? Yeah? Is it possible with using different color? Yeah.
Yeah, different colors, sir. It some way can be so here.
And because we want to know what is the difference before optimize and the ordinary, yeah, the conventional route. Okay. Next. Figure 3. Figure 4.
Sorry.
Correlation. Okay, figure 3 first. Figure 3, 4. Correlation and trends of fire vehicles. Optimized. Exceeded 95%. Mhm. The dot is the RT kah?
Yes, sir.
What is the dot meaning? Because there is no legend, yeah.
Maybe. Okay.
I think you can add the legend. What is the line meaning? What's the dot? Is it the trend line kah? Or
The dot is the optimized route of the dot.
optimized route?
So, yeah, the optimized route. But Isradi, can you scroll up? So, for example, in RW1, we get the optimized route is about 1 point. No, scroll up, Isradi. So, this optimized route, scroll down. For example, that's in RW1, the optimized route is 1 kilometer, and so on. Yeah. So it's like trend, yeah, line trend, and we add the CI,
Okay.
and this is the correlation times.
Ooh, different figures, yeah.
Yeah. So because we are using the different statistic, we using a lot of statistical tests to test our data.
No, I don't get clear what is the different uh, rectangle ya. Kotak ini bedanya apa? 9 kotak. The nine box showing what RT kah or
The airway.
example RW?
Yeah. So yeah, the correlation of fire vehicle response time with number of cover airway and airspace Kojan.
So for example RW1, which is the RW1?
Oh, this is the pool airway. So all the airway we pull together.
Yeah, because not so clear. I don't know if in the previous pages there is explanation, yeah, because it is better its figures should be mentioned after, yeah, the explanation. What is the 0.99, for example, where there is 0.99, 0.98, and the other is like graph, yeah. Why not all box showing the graphs, for example? Even this,
The 0.93, this is the regression. It means that our hypothesis, if we increase the response time, we will cover more airway. So there is correlation. The correlation
Yeah,
between
yeah. Yeah, this is already no. This is only known by the authors, yeah, how to read these figures. But I am as reviewer, for example, or public readers cannot understand what you want to explain with these figures, yeah. How to read, for example, from one box left to the right or left to the down first, or what is the difference between column, yeah? I'm not so clear with it.
this is the combo figure. So we put together. For example, if you want to to see the correlation between if we increase the response time with the area, so the correlation is 0.98. If the number is close to the 1, so there's a high correlation. So it means that if we increase the response time, there will be more area and airway that we can cover. I think Pak Israni, can you spot to the figure 5 in the manuscript?
Area respond.
Yeah.
So the
Figure.
couple.
Yeah. We are using the regression. We are using the regression. That is the regression index. Like how many, if you increase the factor A, what is the impact on the factor B? So if the value of the R is close to the 1, so there is a lot of high correlation. And if you see Pak Isradi, back to figure 5, Pak Isradi.
Figure number 5.
Yeah, figure 5.
Here.
Spot
Yes.
Correlation.
I think
of
in the this is the regression test, the correlation test, and I think we just focus on the number. The graph is about the frequency. frequency. We use the statistic because we don't use the ordinary statistic like SPSS. We are using the statistic using the Python to make this. Yeah, we are using the Python because I think because this is the graduate thesis. Yeah, the graduate thesis should not use the common statistic test like SPSS or whatsoever. We need to use the Python. So we need to write down the Python script to do the statistic test. Like also we.
Excuse me, Ari.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the discussion is going very detailed, specific. I think we should give also the opportunity for others to maybe they have questions that they would like to ask. I think we can discuss this further, Dr. Nyoman, through private chat maybe. So I think because the explanation is very detailed and very specific, and I think not many people can relate to that here because it's very technical. I think I apologize, Pari, for cut the discussion, but I think we need to give some opportunity also to the others.
Okay, how about conclusion, Pak Nyoman?
Yeah.
How about conclusions? The conclusions here.
Yeah, as Papa just said, maybe we can discuss later,
Yes,
in
yes.
private channel.
Okay, thank you so much, Pak Nyoman Suwarta, Pak Fajar for watching.
I apologize, Pak Isradi. Thank
No
you
problem,
very
sir.
much.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. I will read some questions, Dr. Nyoman, from the chat box that I have summarized. I will show to you the slide so you can read the question. Can you see my slide?
Yes.
Okay, there are several questions actually in the chat box, and I think they really want to hear your answer, Dr. Nyoman. I will read the first one. It's from Devin. If we want to make the intervention or experiment study and want to make paper about the study protocol and submit to the journal, what do we need to be aware of about the content of the paper? Because there's no result of the study yet. Thank you. Maybe you can directly respond, Dr. Nyoman. Yeah.
Okay, I try to understand the question. If you want to make intervention or experiment study, experiment study mean you did not complete yet or experiment. That's why no result. Like proposal kah?
Oh, yang lain ini.
Propose an experiment study.
I think maybe if I would like to maybe conclude in the public health we have experimental study. For example, we treat some patient, we give them a certain medicine, and then we don't another patient we don't give certain medicine. For example, and that's the intervention. The intervention is at some of the sample we give medication, and some samples we don't give medication, and then we look for the result at the end. And according to this, the question, there has not been found the study regarding that yet. So how do we construct the paper? So if there's no study yet, for example, available for the literature, how can we construct the content of the paper?
Yeah, once again, I think if you don't have the result yet, even though Pak Fajar explained that maybe after treatment, then they will have different result, right?
Yeah.
Different treatment. So it's like some proposed protocol or technique maybe or approach to, to the
exactly.
treatment effect. So I think you can refer to article journal that who already mentioned what treatment the result is like what, yeah, and one other article using another treatment will have a result, yeah, how many efficient or many goods to the patient, for example. Then your proposal can be based on this reference, yeah. Its marking can propose another, I don't know, another treatment kah? What should be added, yeah, so that can improve maybe the efficiency or time recovery or I don't know, yeah. So of course, this is depend on your field. Yeah, I don't know in the medical community health journal. Usually they receive how many tip, yeah, for, yeah, of course,
Oh, nanti
depend
kamu
on
aja
the
matikan
scope
ini ya.
also. How many deep the content of paper, or is it like if proposal maybe sound like acceptable for proceeding, yeah. There is no complete result yet. I think, yeah, for
Nanti kuota
some proceeding it can be
modemnya Bapak ini bisa pengisi.
what you call acceptable.
Bisa ini saya.
At least
saya belikan
based on this
Iya, nanti saya kasih uang sebentar.
proposal, this technique, idea, you can also give some like estimation, yeah? Estimated result. Is it possible? So what you are expected by adding new treatment or approach, yeah? Is it will be increase how many percent, for example? Yeah, just estimation. I think better to add that one. Is it
Okay.
answering?
I hope that answers the question, David. Is it sufficient? Is it enough, or you still have some other question?
Yes, thank you. But I kind of confused, sir, about the content of I'm sorry. Is it okay if I ask lively like this?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay. Still related to the question, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think we need to make it like a proposal because we don't have the result yet. We don't have the result, and I kind of confused what we need to put in the discussion or the report, something like that, sir.
Yeah, that's why I asked you to look more detail in the journal. Is it any journal that accept like half cooked, yeah, materials? I mean, you don't have the result yet, but is it the journal also accept because different journal, different structure, right? Section. If they ask the section result in discussion should be showing complete result, then your paper should be rejected, right?
Okay. So we
Otherwise,
need to getting to the journal. We need to submit, right? Oh,
yeah.
okay.
First to seek the journal scope, how loose or tight, yeah, in describing the contents. Otherwise, the only choice is only proceeding, I think.
Okay. Thank you for the explanation, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, coming to the next question, Dr. Nyoman, from Rizky Okarini. If I want to make a systematic review with an existing topic by adding some of the latest articles, is the review strong enough to be published? Are there a minimum number of articles which can make a systematic review based on the existing topic? So this is, I think, the question regarding the number of articles for the reference, maybe.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Bu Rizky Okarini, ya. of course, for review article, review paper, yeah, this is first should be showing the amount, yeah, how large number of article review, yeah, involved in this review article, meaning that if you ever look, yeah, into article published article in terms of review article, you can see in that kind journal, because each journal will have different policy also, yeah, how many references paper should be cited, yeah, in the review paper. But if you ever look into one journal, you can see that, wow, maybe 50 more, yeah,
Yeah.
article listed in this review paper, because the reviewers will look how you can synthesize, yeah, from published article, previous published article, maybe the last 5 years or more, maybe depend on the topics. Then how they will look, you can make critical review actually, yeah. Not only just put according to this, mention like this, or someone here conduct experiment like this, but how critical review based on the result for each article. Then suppose there is two block, yeah, two ideas should be mentioned from A side, what is the main consideration, yeah, or ideas, and from the block B, what is the main opinion, yeah, ideas, so that your position will give some perspective, yeah, whether trend to support block A or block B, or even like I mentioned before, you will try to incorporate from both sides, yeah, and give some new idea, new perspective. Yeah, as long as the critical review you can address, I think, yeah, the possibility to be accepted is bigger, yeah, rather than just to put by Fajar 2020 blah 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 blah, yeah. But there is no deep what you call explanation, yeah, only mention that you already read, yeah. This is not the review paper what reviewer want, yeah. So you need to more careful doing the critical review, yeah. Why this one, why this one, and how should be, and so on, yeah. What is your expectation or your idea regarding this maybe opposite ideas, yeah, perspective, so that will be more have chance, yeah, to be considered. And then just to look what is the comments from the reviewers. So not only for the numbers, yeah, or minimum numbers of article, but how to conduct critical review, yeah, is more essential. Does that answer, Rizky?
Okay, thank you so much for explanation, Doctor.
Yeah. I think better to once again to look the sample article, yeah, of the review paper. So how they write the critical, so that they are already published, right? Then we can refer how the style, how to, yeah.
Dr. Newman, maybe I would like to address the question again. Maybe she means what's the difference between maybe systematic review-based manuscript and research-based manuscript regarding the amount of articles cited in each of the manuscript. Is it like systematic review? How many? 50, 100, or is it just sufficient? Maybe 50, or if and in research-based manuscript, is it sufficient only 20, 30 reference like that maybe?
Yeah. Okay. So the difference between journal, especially the type of articles, of course, for the review articles should be more, The minimum, I don't know, maybe 30, 40, it will depend on the journal, of course. And you can try 30 first, But as long as we ensure that even the 30, this is at least the new one, the last 3 years of the habit, because different topic also maybe will have specific limitants, We cannot generalize. You should use the last 5 years, because if this is the new topic, maybe only available from last 3 years, So based on this last 3 years, at least 30 maybe you can use the minimum for review article. Of course, the more article, the better. While in the technical or research article, usually minimum 15 kah? At least 15. Of course, this is proportional between the self-publication and then between the article and books, for example, textbook or even proceeding, So we need to look once again, I think, from the sample article of each journal, whether the review article or technical, technical article, research article. Because even the same research article, you have 2 sample research article in that journal, maybe the references will be different also, more and less, I think that's the one way should be look for first.
Thank you very much, Dr. Newman. Bu Rizky, is it fine, the answer?
Yes, it's a clear explanation. Thank you.
Thank you. Dr. Newman, apparently, do we still have time for 2 other questions?
Yeah, please. Okay.
Thank you. The next one is from Bu Fena Jaladara. Dr. Newman, thank you for an insightful presentation. Is it possible to publish the journal article using kind of an outdated data? For example, the data was collected in 2017-2018, but has not been published yet. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Bu Fena. I think once again depend on the journal policy, how they determine what is the output data, especially using the data for to be established in their journal, because of course they want to read or give contribution, in more new findings, result, so that if we use too long data, too long years, that maybe already expired in the way of resulting or giving the insight. Yeah, you can at least compare with the new article. Yeah, once again you need to look the sample article of the journal with the same topic of your paper. Is there any explanation or conclusion of the article that using the new data, for example? Yeah, is it relevant with the topic of your paper? Who knows that the new journal article already answer your inquiries, your research, so it will have less chance to be published, I think. Another case maybe depend on the data you are collected. How the topic, is it still relevant right now, or maybe already too old, expired one. But if still in the interest topic, because some topics this is like evergreen, can be acceptable for long years, time periods. So that I think this is already 3 years, almost 3 years, still relevant, maybe depend on the context problem. So first you can select the journal, which is appropriate in the scope, and then check the example, sample paper with a similar topic. If there is no discussion or publication similar to this topic, I think you still have chance. Just writing, and the important is how to keep the structuring, and the story flow from the introduction, aims, and conclusion. I think you can try.
Thank you very much, Dr. Nyoman. I think we have one more question to the audience from Hanan or Hanan Rahman. I have a question. What is the foundation of making scientific article? Because for a newbie, for example, who has no experience, what's the first thing that is regarded as the foundation in writing a scientific article? I think that's the question, Dr. Nyoman.
The most fundamental in making scientific article is the scientific rules, kaidahnya. Scientific rule means that what you are writing is first based on the result, and then the result should be based, of course, on the methods, correct methods. And the correct methods mean what you are designed in the experiment, in the observation, should be based on reasonable scientific theoretical, for example. So the reasonable or reasoning scientific reason means when you determine, for example, the simulation times, where we use 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes, rather 5, 6, 7, 10 minutes, for example. it will be clear based on what consideration, yeah. Is it the optimum times, for example, yeah, based on the article or theoretical, yeah, so that all variables you put in the methods should be reasonable. Yeah? That's the fundamental one. Yeah, and you report based on this condition, and whatever the result, yeah, this is the second. You clearly mention the result, whether it is acceptable, I mean, like what you are expected, yeah, in theoretical, or even some failure, yeah, some.
Hello, Dr. Nyoman. Are you still here?
Yeah, sorry, my connection.
Okay. We just missed maybe a couple words back, so maybe
Yeah.
yeah, you can repeat
So
that.
again, back to the second fundamental to show the result, whatever you have. Yeah, I mean, if there is some mistake, so you can show up and explain why this is mistaken, and then of course, if you have the expected result, yeah, should be also explain what is the positioning, yeah, contribution, and so on. And the other is, I think, just to follow the structuring, yeah, structuring section of the article of the journal, yeah, because each journal have different style, yeah, format, structure. So at least those two basic fundamental should be fulfilled, yeah, to write the scientific article. Is that answering the question?
Hanan Nur Rahman, does that answer your question? Is it sufficient?
So it is very different with the popular article, for example. Yeah, you may just give some ideas, but no support from the data, especially. Yeah. So the scientific, should be support with the valuable data, validate data, for example. Of course, the data resulted from the reasonable methods, yeah. Follow the protocol, standard, and so on. Okay.
Dr. Johan, if I do you still have a couple of minutes, maybe, or because I have a question? Maybe you can answer in short, not too long. First of all, I quoted from your presentation regarding the topic of paper quality. The topic of paper quality. You mentioned about you have to check the highlighted portion in paragraph. How much in a paragraph about the site the reference we cited in the paragraph, because maybe I represent most of scholars S1 maybe undergrad, that they have to write literature region pustaka, then sometimes they I don't know how do we check, how do we keep the literature review to your standard regarding the highlighted portion of the paragraph to be referenced.
Okay. This one kah? Check the highlighted ya.
Yes, Pak.
Oh, share-nya. Can see? No? The slide?
Not yet, Dr. Nyoman.
Share. This one?
Yes, we can see your slide.
Oh. So what I mean actually, the highlighted color marks, this is from the authenticate alternate in. So after we accept or receive the evaluation result of authenticate, then we can look into part in paragraph, which one is the colored or highlighted, which means this is the most similar words or even sentences. Yeah, for example, if this one, this is the paragraph. Then if we if we have this kind of one paragraph with highlight color, not color, actually, like this one. Even this is only 10%, but the reviewer will have assumption that this is mostly like copy paste, not rephrase. So better to have, for example, the highlight, maybe only one or two, like this. Spot, spot. This is the similar one. Whether this is in total maybe 30%, then it is okay, I think. Other than almost all paragraph with the same highlight. This will be finding for the reviewer. So I don't know if you have experience to see the highlighted portion in paragraph. So be careful then to replace or maybe to put the citation.
Very clear, Dr. Nyoman.
Yeah.
Coming up to the next question, maybe how many are there authors allowed in one manuscript? How many authors allowed in one manuscript? Can we mention 10, 20, or is there any limitation?
Actually, as far as I know, there is no limitation. In some journal, we can see more than 10, even 15. Like in I don't know, most of the journal in Japan, because they are so what you call collegial. So all the team in the laboratory, they put all the names as co-authors, because actually the data also sharing part. They conduct the experiment related, so they put all authors. So far there is no limitation, as I know, only 10 or 3. So it is very open for all authors to participate, yeah, as long as a clear contribution actually. That's why some journal required, we feel what is the contribution for its author sometimes. Yeah. Okay.
Very clear, Dr. Nyoman, very clear. The last for me maybe regarding keywords. You mentioned that maximum is 5 words, but for example, in the medical terms, sometimes, or in the public health terms, sometimes, to explain one what you call it, istilah apa term, we have several words. For example, index massa tubuh, for example, body mass index, it represents one concept, but it's constructed from 3 words. Does that count as one word, or still 3 words in the keywords of the manuscript?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that is what I mean with specific keywords. Yeah. So consists of 2 or 3 even. Yeah. 2 or 3 words as one specific keywords. As long as the separator, yeah, the semicolon or comma is clear, I think that will count as one keywords, specific keywords.
Okay, very clear, Dr. Nyoman. Thank you very much. I think we have come to the end of the session. Time flies. Time flies. We started at 9, and until now we're still in the session because I think it's very the topic is very interesting, and I think it enlightens many of us, Dr. Nyoman, it inspires us to how we can create a good manuscript. Thank you very much. Maybe we can, before we leave this room, maybe we can have a photo session, yeah, for documentation. I would like to ask all of the participants to activate the camera so we can take the photo session. Okay, we have 2 slides, so it won't take long, just 2 slides. Yeah. Okay, get ready. We'll start the countdown. 3, 2. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll wait. Some is still activating the camera. Okay, okay. I'll start the countdown. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, wait. I have another one. Okay, wait, just one more. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you all for today's session, and a huge thanks to Dr. Nyoman, who has
Thank you.
provided a very helpful material, and also for explaining to us very clearly and detailed about the aspect of scientific writing. And I hope we can meet again in the next session. Till then, I would like to say thank you, and also great thank you to Dr. Nyoman. Have a nice day, and bye-bye.
Thank you all. Good luck with the writing.
Thank you, Dr. Nyoman. Thank you. Okay, I will end this session for today. Thank you very much, and have a good day.
Recording stopped.
Can we find the recording?
Oh yes, I will. Ya, nanti akan I will upload this in the DRRC website, so you can check on it in the DRRC website.
Okay, thank you, Mas Fajar.
Thank you. Okay, I will end this session. Thank you very much. We'll meet again in the next session. Assalamualaikum.